One great app to use to help add content to your iTunes U course is Explain Everything, which is a way to take presentations such as Keynote or PowerPoint, PDFs, photos, videos, and allow you to annotate them with your finger, with text, as well as with your voice, and tell a story using slides that you likely already have or have already started working on. This is their website, and it will tell you a lot of different things that they could do. So as it can show you, you could kind of do a tutorial. You can show different things using a video of a phone or an iPad. You can annotate. You could also challenge your students to make these presentations with Explain Everything as well. There's a lot to it. As well as it hooks up really well with different services, including Box or Google Drive or Dropbox, any of those things, and it hooks up with them very well. Let me show you what that looks like on an iPad. Here I've loaded a presentation into Explain Everything. On the left I have my menu that helps me navigate, draw, put shapes, add text, amongst other things on the side, as well as change what color my pen is going to be. I also really like the laser pointer tool, which allows you to point out things as you're talking about them. It's very fun here, but not as much fun as they are with pets in real life, but still a great tool to have and Explain Everything. Then on the bottom, it allows me to move through my different slides as well as record. And it records everything that you say, what's shown on the screen, and how you annotate it, and it puts it all together to make an easy, engaging presentation. Let's start by pressing record. I press record. Now I want to actually really emphasize the Ohio part. So I took my pen, I'm going to make it red, of course, naturally, or scarlet, and I'm going to draw around it. That's not big enough, so I'm going to tap and actually choose a bigger, there we go, perfect, living in Ohio. Excellent. Now, say there are other things you want to do, and I'm going to add a shape this time. I'm going to add an arrow. There we go. And then if I go back to my hand, I can move it around, make it bigger. We really want to focus on the weather in Ohio, of course. So with that, like I said, as I'm giving my presentation, it's recording what I'm talking about. Here I want to point out this type of tree, as well as a student wearing a backpack. Those sort of things I could point out using my tool right there. What's also nice is that Explain Everything presents its content in an infinite canvas. So I'm going to select the hand tool at the top and squeeze my fingers together, and I can place it wherever I want. So that way, if I want to add additional notes, or even maybe another photo or a slide or something like that, I could do so using one of these different areas. I also can type. And I can move that around, change the size, move it around to wherever I want it, and I can talk about it that way. Again, I can change the color and everything as well. Hopefully you could Explain Everything and see how it could be useful for you. As I've been recording this entire session, let's take a look at what it looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this box with the arrow pointing up, and that's my export box. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a way to export it. And you have different options here. I want to export the video as it shows, and I'm going to just send it to Photos. So here it's compressing my video, and the longer your video, the more time it takes. Alright, let's take a look. So I'm going to go to my photos. And here, I could see exactly what my presentation was. I can scoot through. Just as I did it, the video that I presented to my students.